guys, and welcome to the channel. Today, I want to talk about camping tools, not camping gear. Anyway, I looked it up on Google. Of course, you Google everything. And I said, what's the difference between camping gear and camping tools? Anyway, the answer came back that camping gear consists of the tent, the sleeping bag, the cot, the things that allow you to sleep comfortably. The tools are the things that you may need to use while you're camping, such as knives, hatchets, shovels, saws. Anyway, over the years I've collected quite a few things for camping.
I obviously don't take all of this on every camping trip. It depends on the season, the length of the trip, etc., etc. There's sleeping bags there for summer and fall. There's even a kayak, and there's tents, large and small.
So what I'm going to do today is go over 5 or 6 of the tools that I take with me camping. So let's start. One of the things I take is a hatchet. This is one that I used for, a number of years. But it has a wooden handle, and when I was using it for splitting wood, the handle did come loose. Now I've repaired it by putting in a new wedge, but I decided I didn't need that anymore, and I picked up this Estwing. It's just a 14-inch hatchet, and what I like about this is that it's one piece of steel, so I don't have to worry about the handle coming loose. The other thing I like on both those hatchets is that the cover or sheath does not cover up the back, which I can use for hammering in tent stakes or whatever. The other thing I take is a large knife. Over the years, I've picked up a couple just because I like them. This Winchester I used it for a while, but I did find that in spite of the fact that it has a well-known name, it did not maintain its edge. I used it for batoning wood, and just for cutting limbs instead of a hatchet sometimes. I bought this thing last year. It's a mossy oak, and it's really keeps its edge. It's got good steel, and it's an inexpensive knife. It's a full tang, which means that the steel runs all the way to the back. It's got redwood scales and the brass pommel. I've liked it. I've used it to split a lot of wood and enjoyed using it. The other thing that I take is a saw. I have 2, mainly because when I see something new, I want to try it. And I have the Silky folding saw, which is excellent. It cuts wood easily. It's not meant for large logs, but for sawing up some firewood. It works really, really well. This one, the Agawa, it's a folding buck saw, and it's made by a Canadian company. Now, it just snaps together. Blade is just an inch shorter than the Silky blade, but again, it's excellent. Does the job really, really well, and either one will serve you well if you're using it for camping. The other thing that I recommend is a shovel. This, it just opens up and you just tighten in the blade and you have a shovel. Now in this particular model, it also can convert to a pick if you want to dig hard ground. This is excellent if you're boondocking or dispersed camping. You don't want to, if you need to go do number 2, this will allow you to bury it. You know, I take it with me all the time in case I won't be in a campground. There's one other tool that I take with me, and that's my Buck 110 Hunter folding knife with a lock back so that the blade can't close on your hand and cut you. I've had this for a number of years. I use it everywhere for cutting line, even when I'm making meals. The Buck 110 has been around for a long time. It's served its usefulness to thousands of campers and hunters. So that's about it for the tools. I'll leave a link to the products I recommend. A lot of them are available on Amazon, and some others like the S-Wing hatchet is available at most hardware stores. So that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this little video, and if you did, how about a big thumbs up? And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, and I'll let you know when I make the next one. So you take care, have a great day, and remember, keep the shiny side up, rubber side down. Take care. Bye-bye.